Today we're going to learn how to crochet jogless stripes in a round. If you ever notice on your amigurumi projects, when you go to shift colors, you'll notice this ugly little stir step and sometimes this little color speck when you do your color changes. Well, today I'm going to teach you an easy way to do that color change without giving yourself a headache. So this is what the color change looks right here. So let's hop into the technique. I'm going to begin on the stitch before the color change. I'm going to continue with the main color and start with my single crochet. And I'm stop, drop my stitch, and pick up my new color. And do a single crochet. So let's start and take off this stitch marker. And for the next stitch, all you have to do is do a slip stitch. Here we go. For your color change. And continue placing your single crochets all the way around. So you can pause your video here and I'll show you once I get to the other side how I continue with the color. Okay, we've made it back around to that slip stitch and all you have to do is continue to single crochet as normal. This slip stitch adds an easy transition to your work so you have a better jogless join going all the way around. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.